Our next question is, two vertical poles are on either side of a road. A 30-meter long ladder is placed between the two poles. When the ladder rests against one pole, it makes an angle 32 degrees 24 minutes with the pole, and when it is turned to rest against another pole, it makes an angle 32 degrees 24 minutes with the road. Calculate the width of the road. So there is a road. Assume that you are walking on the road in this plane. Opposite sides are having two straight poles, and at a point on the road you are taking a ladder and you are keeping that ladder onto one pole, so that angle made by this ladder with the pole will be 32 degrees 24 minutes. And if you turn this ladder to this pole, like if you put it slant to this one, so here the ladder is making with the base or with the road 32 degrees 24 minutes. So there it is making with the pole, the same angle is making with the road. We need to consider the distance between these 2 points, that means width of the road. Okay, consider the names A, B, C, D and E. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, these two are the triangles that we can see from the picture. Now consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this is the elevated angle. So with this elevated angle, we need to find out these two lengths. But here one thing is, we should not consider the heights of the poles, because there is no data is given according to the pole, even placing in two sides. Only the thing is, we have the same ladder. Same ladder means, so if it is x, here also it is x, and here in these triangles this is hypotenuse, working as hypotenuse for those two triangles. So we have to take the ratios, trigonometric ratios, which considers the adjacent sides and hypotenuse for those angles. Okay, in triangle ABC, at this angle, these two are related with the cos angle. So cos 32 degrees 24 minutes will be equal to BC, that is adjacent side BC by hypotenuse, which is x. But in the question, the value of x is given, that means length of the ladder is given, which is 30 meters. So BC is equal to, bring this x to here, which is 30 into cos 32 degrees 24 minutes. Let it be, don't evaluate right now. Now consider CD, we need CD. Okay, so if you want CD in the triangle CDE, if you want CD, so which is opposite to the angle, we are not considering this angle, we are considering this angle. For this angle, CD is the opposite side. So for this opposite side, if we consider sine ratio, then sine 32 degrees 24 minutes will give, opposite side is CD, so CD divided by, and hypotenuse is x, where CD is equal to, x is 30 meters into sine 32 degrees 24 minutes. We need BD value, which is the width of the road. BD is equal to BC plus CD, and just add these two. Take 30 as common, you will have cos 32 degrees 24 minutes plus sine 32 degrees 24 minutes. So students, we already learned how to measure the random angle from the cos or sine tables. So I got the values like 0.8443 for cos plus 0.5358 for sine angle, which will give 30 into 1.3801. So by multiplying we will get 41.403 meters. So the width of the road is 41.403 meters. Deliberately they have given different angles, different consideration of the angles. If you confuse about these angles, then you will do wrong thing. So here just see, when the ladder is placed for this side, it is making angle with the pole, and the same angle is making with the road when it is placed this side. Just have a look on the difference of the representation and consider proper triangles and proper ratios. With that you can evaluate easily.